To begin, in a large mixing bowl, add in 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, followed by 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1 full lemon or about 3 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of tarragon, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then give that a whisk. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. That is 220 degrees Celsius. For this recipe, we're using 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Pour the marinade all over the chicken. Add in 1 pound of red skin potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces. Go ahead and toss until everything has been evenly coated in the marinade. Now, cover a baking tray with aluminum foil. Transfer the chicken and potatoes to the prepared baking tray. Then add in 2 bell peppers cut into bite-sized pieces. You may use any color peppers that you prefer. And 1 red onion cut into bite-sized pieces as well. Mix the peppers and onion with the potatoes. Ensure that the chicken is sitting on top of the vegetables. Add a few slices of lemon on top. Now bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes or until the internal temperature of the chicken is 165 degrees. And if everything goes according to plan, your chicken and veggies would look like this. Now garnish with black olives, about half a cup of crumbled feta cheese, a quarter of a cup of fresh parsley, and finish garnishing with black pepper to taste. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, chicken and veggies. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.